Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve sound quality on your laptop. Now come to the search bar over here, then search for settings. After that, you open up your settings, then click on system. Once you click on system, come and click on sounds. Then once you click on the sounds, come over here and click on the speakers. You can see by default the speakers which are set. Okay, so we have these ones which are the Realtek HD audio, and then you also have the speakers. So the one which is check marked is the one you're using. So go ahead and click on this other drop down arrow. So you can see this is a speaker. Now you need to come over here and choose the format on the drop down arrow. Then make sure it's in 24-bit 4000 or 48,000 Hz. Okay, studio quality. Then leave it at that. Okay, then after doing that, guys, that will obviously improve your sound quality on your Windows 11. So basically that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet